In this video, I want to show you how Monica was created. She's one of the enemies in our game, Speechless, and she does something pretty unique. Monica copies everything the player does. If you walk backward, she walks backward. If you move forward, she does too. The idea came from Psycho Mantis in Metal Gear Solid, a character who breaks the fourth wall by reading your memory card and messing with your controller.
Useless woman.
Optic camouflage, huh? I hope that's not your only trick.
You doubt my power? Now, I will show you why I am the most powerful practitioner of psychokinesis and telepathy in the world. No, there's no need for words, Snake. I'm Psycho Mantis. That's right. This is no trick. It's true power. It's useless, I told you. I can read your every thought.
That inspired us to create an enemy that feels like it's watching you closely and reacting to your every move. The real challenge? You have to outsmart her. Use creativity to trick her into getting stuck in the final room. If you'd like to experience it yourself, you can download the game for free using the link in the description. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more.